Ever print an object in Python and get a cryptic memory address instead of useful information? The magic methods dunderster and dunderreaper control what you see, but they serve very different purposes. Dunderster is designed for human-readable output. It creates user-friendly strings meant for end users. Dunderreaper, on the other hand, is for developers. It provides an unambiguous representation that helps you understand exactly what the object is during debugging. When you call the print function, Python uses dunderster to display your object. But when you type an object name in the interpreter or use it in a debugger, Python calls dunderreaper. The reaper function also explicitly invokes dunderreaper, while stir calls dunderster. Here's a crucial detail. If you don't define dunderster, Python automatically falls back to using dunderreaper. This means you only need to implement dunderreaper for basic functionality and both scenarios will work. But the reverse isn't true. Best practice for dunderreaper, it should return a string that looks like valid Python code to recreate the object. For example, x equals 3, y equals 5 close parenthesis. This makes debugging much easier because you can see exactly how to construct the same object again. To recap, dunderster is for readable output your users see. Dunderreaper is for unambiguous debugging information developers need. Master both to make your Python classes professional and maintainable. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.